In this video, we're going to see the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. We're going to see how a substance can change from one state to another. To do so, we're going to use a model called particle theory or kinetic theory, which helps us explain how the particle in each stage behave by considering each particle as a small solid inelastic sphere. In solids, there are strong forces of attraction between the particles. These forces hold them close together in a fixed position to form a regular structure. Because the particles are fixed, the overall substance keeps its definite shape and volume, so it can't flow like a liquid, but the particles can vibrate around. Now, if we heat up a solid, the particles will gain more energy and vibrate more, weakening the forces between them. And at a certain temperature, which we call the melting point, the particles will have enough energy to break free of their bonds. Hence, the solid becomes a liquid.